Six vectors A vector through F vector have magnitudes and direction indicated in the figure. Which of the following statements is true? Here we have given six vectors which are drawn like this, and we have to find which statement is correct. So we will see statements one by one. In first statement it is given, that is B vector plus E vector is equal to F vector. Now we will see whether B vector plus E vector is equal to F vector or not. So with the help of given arrows, or we can say with the help of given vectors, we will draw a triangle and check whether the resultant will be F vector or not. So here B vector is given in this direction, so this will represent B vector. This will be our B vector which is given in this direction. Now we will add E vector in the given vector, means head of B vector will coincide with tail of E vector, or we can say if we draw E vector from its head of B vector, then there will be tail of E vector. It will be drawn like this, means at the head of B vector there is tail of E vector, because we have to draw vectors in continuation. So this vector will represent E vector. Now this will be our B vector plus E vector. Now we will see what will be the resultant. So resultant will be drawn like this. Therefore this side of triangle will represent resultant of B vector plus E vector. That can be written here, B vector plus E vector, and we can see this is not the direction of F vector, means according to the given condition it is incorrect statement. We can say the given statement is incorrect because the resultant of B vector is E vector is not equal to F vector. Therefore it is a incorrect statement. Now move on to second statement, that is given B vector plus C vector equal to F vector. Now we will add B vector with C vector and check whether it will represent F vector or not. First we will draw B vector. B vector is given in downward direction like this. So this will represent B vector. Now we will draw C vector in continuation with V vector, means at the head of B vector there will be a tail of C vector. It can be drawn like this. C vector in this direction, therefore we have put tail of C vector on the head of B vector and it is representing C vector. Now we will see what will be the result of both these vectors, addition of both these vectors, which can be represented like this. So this will represent the addition of these two vectors, or we can write it here as B vector plus C vector, and we can easily check with the help of given, that is F vector, which is in this direction. Given in the question, it will be easily check that the given F vector is not similar to the result of B vector plus C vector. Therefore this statement is also incorrect. Now we will check third statement, which is given, that is D vector plus C vector is equal to F vector. Now we will draw D vector and C vector. So D vector given in the question is in this direction, so this will represent D vector. So D vector we have drawn like this, that is in upward direction. So this is representing here D vector. Now we will add C vector in D vector, and on adding we know at the head of D vector there will be the tail of C vector. C vector pointing in this direction, therefore tail of C vector will coincide with head of D vector because we are adding D vector with C vector. Now the remaining side, which can be drawn like this, it will represent the result of addition of these two vectors. We can write it here as D vector and C vector, which can be easily judged, that is, it is not equal to given F vector. Again, the given statement is incorrect because the result of D vector plus C vector is not equal to F vector, because given F vector is in different direction as that of D vector plus C vector. Now we will move on to next statement, that is given like D vector plus E vector is equal to F vector. So we have given D vector in this direction. This is representing D direction as given in the question, and we will add E vector in this D vector, and E vector given in the question having direction towards left. So we are drawing D vector here, and at head of D vector there will be a tail of E vector, and this is representing E vector. Now we will see the result of addition of these two vectors, which can be drawn with the help of third side of the triangle, which will appear like this. So this is representing result of D vector plus E vector, and on comparing the result of addition of D vector plus E vector with F vector, we will say this, that it can represent F vector, because in the given question F vector having direction similar to coming out with D vector plus E vector. That is why this will be the correct statement. Therefore, out of the following statement, fourth statement, that is D vector plus E vector is equal to F vector. Therefore, answer of this question is, in which we have to find correct statement. Therefore, D vector plus E vector is equal to F vector. Thank you.